All of your child's assignments are going to be housed in CTLS Learn. And when they log into their homepage, they're going to see all of their assignments here, or sorry, all of their classes here. And the assignments are within the subject area. So if you want to know what their ELA assignments are, which is English Language Arts, you have to go into the ELA classroom. The same for science, math, social studies. So let's just go ahead and visit the math class. And this is what it looks like for the students. So this is like their home page for math. There's a little Bitmoji classroom for Miss Bourne's class. But you would go over to assignments, and that's where you would see the assignments that are available to the student. Now, if it says, the status is really important. So the status will say assigned if the student hasn't completed the assignment yet. And then it will say ready to score if the student's done. All right. The other little tip for students is the coloring. So we see red right here. That's just saying that it's past due. So the student cannot make any changes to that. Now, teachers can go back into the assignment and they can allow students to submit things late. That just depends on the teacher. But generally, we give most of the week for students to complete assignments. But again, ready to score means that the students completed the task. But that just means it's waiting for the teacher to go in and give a score out of 100 points here. And then assigned means the student has not completed the assignment yet. The final thing here is if you don't see any points, that means that's a non-scored task. It means that the teacher is not going to assign point value to it. So like the ski assessment, once the student actually completes the assessment, it will get a score within CTLS Assess. But as for this actual assignment that just gives description for how to get there, that's not going to be graded.